The animals shown in this video may be very small and can't talk, but they are still more braver than some humans. In this video, we show you 10 animals that act like heroes. This bear entered a residential area, and a chihuahua chased it away. While some dogs protect human babies, did this dog protect her own babies from being kidnapped? Here's another heroic deed. This dog protected its owner from a pack of wolves. A baby monkey was stuck on a dry tree, but this mother risked her life to save it. This dog saved a cat from drowning and almost got stuck in the water. And this is a duck that saved the fishes from starvation. This dog tried to revive a fish by pouring water on it. This wouldn't have ended well if the dog hadn't been there. This cow rammed into a car to save a dog from being run over. This brave dog saved a deer from drowning. That's all. Write in the comments which action amazed you the most, and don't forget to subscribe.